Guys, welcome back to my summer adventure. Today we are at Gardaland for 2 full days of rides, water fun and surprises from the Legoland water park to Fuga da Atlantide. I'm bringing you along for everything, especially if you're traveling with kids. Let's dive in. Before eating the water, we walked through the amazing Lego park. Everything is made out of bricks. It's so detailed and fun for both kids and adults. There is a little river that flows through Lego scenery, splash zones, pools, slides, and free sunbeds. Then we entered the Legoland water park with splash zones, lazy rivers, slides, and places to chill in the sun. Day 2, we had a full park access. We started in Peppa Pig Land, which was such a hit for the little ones. Next, we explored more toddler-friendly rides down by Fantasy Kingdom. This ride was absolutely favorite. She didn't want to leave. Fantasy Kingdom is where the famous freeze mascot lives. We also found a little splash area to cool off. Later in the day, we took on Jungle Rapids, one of the most fun, splashy rides in the park. You float through caves, waterfalls, and jungle scenery, totally worth getting a little wet. Then came the real thrill, Fuga da Atlantide, 2 huge drops, ancient temples, and massive splash at the end. My daughter was fearless. I was not. To slow things down, we hopped on the flying island, where you can see the entire park from above. Thanks for joining us on our 2-day Gardaland adventure. If you're thinking about visiting, definitely consider 2 days, one for relaxing and one for exploring the park. Let me know in the comments if you ride Fuga da Atlantide or skip it.